Good afternoon. I volunteered to come to the Eye Surgeons Associates today to let future patients know what a fantastic job the Dr. Fenzl and his staff does, as well as everyone at Eye Surgeons Associates. In 2023, I was having significant issues with my vision and was referred to Dr. Fenzl. He did an exam and diagnosed me with endothelial corneal dystrophy and cataracts. That is a issue where the endothelial layer of your eye does not circulate the fluid properly and causes cloudiness and blurry vision and can be degenerative and cause your vision to continually decrease if you do not have it addressed. At this point in time, I did not have insurance, but his office staff was remarkable in connecting me with the Illinois Department of Human Services, Alex Fireman, who could provide me with assistance for getting the surgery I needed so I could return to work. That is part of operation, is to make it so people can be a productive member of society. They gave me all the information I needed in advance to allay any fears I might have about problems with the surgery. The surgery itself was very painless. The aftercare is not extremely complex, but you do want to make sure you pay attention to your doctor's orders. Originally, there was some blurriness because of the nitrogen bubble, but after about 7 or 8 days, my vision had improved clearly. They can only do one eye at a time because they want to see how successful the first eye is before they do the second one. The first one was very successful. I had that done in July of 2023, and the second eye done in September of 2023. Without this surgery, I could not have continued to work. I could not continue to drive. It made a life-changing difference. Staff has significantly improved where things were before, and I would highly recommend anybody come and see them, and they will help you in any way they can.